To delete a blog post, click on the circle next to the blog post. Then click on Delete Selected, and then click on Yes. The blog post will then be deleted. To add a blog post, click on the Add Post button. On the top menu, select Image, Gallery, Video, or Quote to add to the blog post. In this example, we will add an image to the blog post by selecting Image and clicking on the image block to add an image from the file manager. Once you have added an image, scroll down the page to edit the blog post title. Type in the blog post summary, and then type in the text to create your blog post content. In the next video, you will learn how to add your blog post to a category.